Hello everyone, my name is Kirsty and I work for Somerset Libraries in Street, and today I have a book recommendation and a review that has kindly been written by Helen from Mendip Children's Book Group. This book is called Becoming Dinah and it's by award-winning author Kit de Waal. It's a YA book, which means it's written for young adults but can be enjoyed by both teens and adults alike. Here's a little bit about the book. Dinah's whole world is upside down, dead things and angry men and cuts all over her head that are beginning to sting. 17-year-old Dinah needs to leave her home, the weird commune where she grew up. She needs a whole new identity, starting with how she looks, starting with shaving off her hair, her crowning glory. She has to do it quickly because she has to go now. Dinah was going to go alone and hitch a ride down south, except she ends up being persuaded to illegally drive a VW camper van for hundreds of miles, accompanied by a grumpy man with one leg. This wasn't the plan. But while she's driving, Dinah will be forced to confront everything that has led her here, everything that will finally show her which direction to turn. And here's the review that Helen has written. The story of Becoming Dinah tells a story of a teenage girl who is trying to run away from her old life. As she drives a battered car for her neighbour, she thinks about all the memories that have led her to this point. Along the way, Dinah meets new people who will shape her future, and she learns that sometimes the unexpected moments are the best ones. This book is truly remarkable and life-affirming and full of heartache, anxiety and hope. It is truthful, believable, and one that you will want to read again and again. If you would like to read a copy of Becoming Dinah, head over to our library's West page where you can search for it and our catalogue. Until next time, bye!